how you can buy crypto on MEXC. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to buy crypto on MEXC. So then to begin with, first thing first, you need to log in into your MEXC app. After you're logged in, tap on transfer and then click on the fiat button. As soon as you do that, next page, you need to go ahead and select the payment method. So you need to go ahead and select use Visa/MasterCard to buy digital asset located right at the bottom. As you've done that, now you need to go to the history page, and after you click the history button, here you need to go ahead and enter in the amount that you wish to pay, and also you need to enter in the exact currency type and the cryptocurrency that you wish to buy. After you've done adding the payment method, click the yes button located right at the bottom. Now you'll need to go ahead and confirm all of the information, so click the OK button located right at the bottom. So here you need to go ahead and tap the currency type. After that, you'll be able to see the currency type. So as soon as you do that, you've successfully confirmed, placed an order. So in that way, you can buy crypto on MEXC. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.